What up, Lazy Journey family? So I got a comment on my other channel asking just more so information about my eye, and she was stating that, excuse me y'all, I just woke up. Okay, she was like, my daughter has the same issue, and they've tried patching. I tried patching at one point in time, but like I told her, I'm gonna be very honest with you, I was not consistent. I also had my glasses at one point in time and probably could have saw some results by now. But in lieu of everything going on with this COVID-19, I said I'm going to pick it back up. I told her, I'm saying, to continue to try that. It's not really anything we can do in regards to consultation at this time. So my suggestion to those that are going through this too, if it's not something that you were born with, I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's reversible. More so in my case, because I was not born this way. Just not taking care of my eyes as I need to. So I'm actually going to start a process. And look, check this out, y'all. So you see how this eye is like this, right? When I do this, you see, you have a little more white in that area. And then look, when I open up, this eye goes like that. So it's totally a muscle thing. And I feel like if I exercise it a little more adequately, I may see some results. Because there was this one test that I found on YouTube. Check it out.
You need a pen, and what you want to do is make like around a circle with the pen, and you want to keep looking at it in all different angles. And what that's going to do is it's going to work all the parts of your eye muscles, and it's going to really help improve your eyesight and fix your lazy eye. So let me just demonstrate it. So that one I usually do about 15 rotations, and then I move on to the other exercise, which is very similar than the one that I showed you guys last time. But this time we're going to be focusing on one eye at a time. So what you want to do is you want to cover one of your eyes, and you want to do the same exercise that I showed you guys last time. This is going to help you focus on one muscle at a time, and it's really going to be useful to strengthen your eyesight and also help get rid of that lazy eye. So let me just demonstrate. And then you want to switch to the other eye. Now, I only did 4 for the sake of time, but usually you'd want to do about 15 each eye, and you could repeat that about 2 or 3 times a day. Maybe you could do these exercises in the morning and at night. That's what I was told by my eye doctor, and honestly that's how I found the best results in order to fix my lazy eye. So I highly recommend you guys, the second you wake up, just have a pen right next to you and do those exercises, and right before you're about to sleep, do them again. And the next day you could use the other 2 that I showed you guys previously, so you guys could keep on switching up your routine. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and definitely subscribe. I'll be posting a lot more videos, and leave any ideas that you guys have in the comment section. I'll definitely be checking that out.
Lips and Lashes by Shea Cosmetics is way more than its namesake. From primers, mascaras, eyeshadows, foundations, lippies, lashes, and so much more. For that fierce look you can't find anywhere else, Lips and Lashes by Shea Cosmetics. Tell them Whitney from Reviews Whitney D sent you.
Yeah, so I found that on YouTube, and I was doing it for a while, and I could see a significant change, but I was not consistent. I think consistency pays off. Yeah. And so I'm going to try a few things out while I have all the time now to worry about myself, you know. So, Lazy Journey family, I think I'm going to start something, maybe like where it's consistent and documented, recorded, and we see if we see any kind of significant change, or if any. But to be honest with you, I forgot to make mention that I have 2 different prescriptions in each eye. Like, one is like roughly close to 20/20 vision, and then the other eye is like near or far-sighted. Basically, one eye is nearsighted, the other one is far-sighted. Like, the bad eye, I can see up close. My good eye, I can see far away. And so they're battling with each other for the most part. And so that's why the glasses come in play. If I strengthen this eye, it's still going to be kind of crazy because it's 2 different eyesights going on. So I don't know what I should focus more on, the vision or the strength. And people are asking, like, why aren't you wearing your glasses? I actually have glasses. They're broke, but I have glue, super glue. I can glue them back. And so I'm thinking maybe we can focus on strengthening this eye, and then I can start wearing my glasses to be able to counteract the 2 different visions. Ooh, we're on to something, Lazy Journey family. I don't know. Tell me what you think down in the comments below. Are you guys embarking on this journey with me for real? Because y'all let me slip. Yeah, I was supposed to be posting last week. Anyways, you guys, that's the video. Tell me what you think down in the comments below. Bye, you guys. I am happy to say that I am a brand ambassador of Noel. Noel is handcrafted, no harsh chemicals, scrubs, oils, soaps, and more. Quality skincare at affordable prices. Check them out and let them know that Whitney D of Whitney D TV sent you by using either my code Whitney30 at checkout or the link in the description box below. Shazazz Creations is a virtual boutique for creative customized apparel, tumblers, and jewelry. Allow them to create a keepsake that you can use as a heirloom for centuries to come. Everything from blankets to pillows, allow your memories to come alive with every picture. Tell them Whitney D from Whitney D TV sent you. Use the Whitney D code or link in the description box below. Bye.